This exchange is about to give away $200,000. It is becoming the most used exchange in Europe and Asia, and it's about to take over Africa. It is in partnership with the English football club Manchester City as its official cryptocurrency partner, and with McLaren as its primary partner. The exchange is OKX. So what is OKX? What can I do with OKX? Why did Guardiola call it your new favorite cryptocurrency trading app? And how can anyone get his hands or her hands on the $200,000 up for grabs? We'll start with the first, then move down to the later. OKX is a tier 1 cryptocurrency and derivative exchange that was founded by Zhu in 2017 in China, but moved its headquarters to Seychelles due to anti-cryptocurrency regulations in China. It's available to use in over 190 countries and currently has over 20 million active users. If you go to CoinMarketCap, it is currently ranked number 4 in the derivative market with a 24-hour trade volume of over $8.1 billion. The transaction fee you pay trading on OKX depends on your trade volume, your level, and whether you're a maker or a taker. Now, the highest fee you will pay ever is 0.1%, and the lowest is minus 0.005%, which means that you are earning fees here and not paying fees. 0.1%, you should know, is below the industry standard. Some exchanges go as high as 0.5%. Now, if you're in Nigeria, you can verify your OKX account with just your BVN. OKX has tons of features, and I will get to it. If you visit the platform, you will see that you can switch between the exchange tab and the wallet. The wallet tab allows you to interact with Web3 and perform DeFi activities like lending, borrowing, NFT, liquidity mining, and so on. It also provides you with a private wallet that is compatible with all the major blockchain. I like how you can choose a coin and be able to swap between the different chains on that coin. If you go back to the exchange tab and go through the menus up here, you will see buy. Here in buy, you can buy crypto with Visa, Master, or other cards. You can buy crypto with P2P, which is the best fit for you if you're Nigerian. And if you're Nigerian, you will definitely use the P2P to buy and sell crypto for Naira. You can also buy crypto through third parties like Banxa, MoonPay, Simplex, CoinFi, Apple Card, and so on. So basically, the P2P is you converting your fiat money to cryptocurrency. The next step is Discover. OKX has over 350 coins listed with over 500 trading pairs, generating over $1 billion in trade volume in the spot market alone. The opportunities here is where the markets are ranked in terms of trading pairs that are hot, have a surge, new, have the most change, market cap, then turnover. The leaderboard is where you can follow top traders and master influencers trading on OKX. You can see the profits they have made, their risk level, what they are trading, and their results for the past 12 months. When you go to the trading tab, the first option here is convert. You can use this to convert one cryptocurrency for another at zero fee. I made a video on how to make 40,000 Naira daily, and I use this convert feature to achieve that. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. Basic trading has spots and simple options. In sports, you can trade one crypto for another. OKX provides you here with indicators and charting tools to conduct your analysis, and also an option of different order types to place your trades, take profits, and manage risks. One of the order types I enjoy most and I found quite useful is a trailing order type. I will talk more about it in my next video. Simple options gives you the right to buy and sell a coin at a chosen price, but it is a topic for another video. Others include contract and margin trading, which includes perpetual swaps, futures, margin and options. Then we have trading bots and block trading, which you will need if you have a large fund and you want to get a good deal when trading cryptocurrencies. The growth section allows you to earn by putting your cryptocurrency to work. You don't have to do any other thing here. Just put your crypto there and it will generate APY for you. The options available include savings, staking, stablecoin, fixed income, dual investment, flash deal, DeFi, and ETH 2.0. There's also the option of loan and jump starts. For developers, you can develop and build dApps in the OKX chain. And if you're new, click on learn here to get tutorials about blockchain and how to get started. So you can see that there are a lot of services that OKX offer, which I cannot go through all of it because of time, but there are a few things under this more here that is important you should know before we talk about the $200,000 up for grabs. The pool allows you to join OKX mining pool and earn reward. OKB is a native token of OKX. If you want to build your own cryptocurrency exchange and you want to use OKX in the back end, then apply here at the broker. The referral program allows you to earn reward by inviting your friends to sign up on OKX using your referral link. When they trade, you earn reward. While the affiliate program gives anyone the opportunity to make the referral program a business and make a lot of money from it. If you go through the videos I've made on this channel, you will see that I have not made much videos about OKX. As a matter of fact, I have made only one major video, which is the video where I showed how to trade P2P on OKX. Then I dropped my referral link for people to sign up with. I have made over $7,000 in commission from those that sign up through that video. What if I made more videos that teaches how to trade profitably using OKX, then provided support to those that sign up, then I write more articles about the same, then I utilize my social media to do all this. If I have done all this, I'll have earned nothing less than 20 times more. Top affiliates here makes up to $1 million. It sounds crazy, but it has happened and it's happening over and over again. You just have to put in the work, learn how to trade, use the platform, master these two things, and teach people how to do the same. Period. I'll leave links for more resources in the description box. Note that all I've shown you so far can also be accessed using the OKX app. Now, for what you have been waiting for, the $200,000, let's talk about it. OKX has a video competition that started on the 29th of September and will end on the 10th of November. So you have this period to submit your video. Prize will be given out on the 25th of November. To partake in this competition, you have to become an affiliate. So sign up using my link in the description if you have not done so already. Then verify your account and click on affiliate and apply. As an affiliate, you are guaranteed up to $1,200 in reward for making a video, irrespective of if you win the competition or not. You can make up to 3 videos, publish them on YouTube, and submit the link. I'll also leave the submission link in the description box. The concept of the video should be around 1. What is OKX? 2. How to make money on OKX? And 3. Why is OKX better? If your videos get up to 500 views and 50 likes combined, you'll receive $50 for each video, which is $150. You can also receive 300 USDT, 600 USDT, or 1,200 USDT if you meet higher requirements. Now, if your video wins, then you'll receive the grand prize. The grand prize is for the 3 best videos. Each of the winners will receive $50,000 worth of experience in the 2023 VIP McLaren Grand Prix. Or if you don't want to get this experience, you will get $15,000 cash in USDT. There's also a reward for best idea, best visual effects, brand ambassador, most views, most likes, and most engagements, all $500 each. Guys, you see this video you're watching right now will also be submitted in the competition. So you can actually help me to become one of the winners by liking the video, sharing with your contact groups, friends, and whoever for more views. Also use the link in the description to sign up to OKX, and a sub to this channel will be fantastic. Thank you for that. Now, if you want to learn about trading orders, why a lot of people lose money trading because they do not know how to use the trading order, and how to get into my Signal group to be guided on how to trade, then watch this next video.